Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be taking a look at the role-playing game Soulbound for Warhammer Age of Sigmar. Now, like many of you, I started with this hobby by playing role-playing games. My big brother introduced me to it, and then I discovered miniatures for role-playing games, and that's my gateway drug to Warhammer. But anyways, in this video I'll be taking a look at this collector's edition that I found in my local game store for a cheap price. So I decided to pick it up and, take a look at it in front of a camera. So, let's look into it. Here we are. Oh, there's something behind here. Earliest adventures in the mortal realms. Yada yada yada. If you want to read this, then pause the video. You have some artwork on the back side here. And well, it's essentially just a box, I think. No, it's open sideways. Oh, hello, beauty. This looks promising. I'll just get rid of this. And here we have the product itself. I must say it looks pretty fancy in real life. I hope the camera picks it up. It's quite shiny. Nothing on the back side. And it has golden edges. Let's take a look. Oh, we have a map. This is something I really enjoy for Age of Sigmar, maps. To make it more fleshed out. Okay, what I immediately noticed is that this isn't numbered. I rarely pick up collector's editions, but I did so for the 8th edition Warhammer edition and Warhammer Fantasy Roleplay 4th edition, and those books were numbered. This one isn't, it seems. And here we have the contents. And behind each chapter you can see a Roman numeral. I believe that's... it corresponds to the chapters. So I'm not going to shift through this entire book, but just show you a few pages. As I said, I got this cheap from my local game store, so I couldn't really resist. I haven't played role-playing games in many years, but I might be tempted to pick it back up. Especially if you can use your Age of Sigmar miniatures for this. It's also a good excuse to buy miniatures for factions that you don't usually collect, I'd say. Well, I have some reading to do. I really do. But I like that it's in full color. It has some really nice artwork. Yeah. I think the only thing making this collector's item is the box, the shininess, the golden edges, and it even has these I don't know what's called in English, for bookmarks. I enjoy that. Well, if you have any questions about this book, then please leave a comment and I'll answer it as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching.